lined up. Everyone's ready to go. Marshall's ready. Driver's ready. 17.5 Sportsman truck A main in less than 5. All right, good clean start. Way to go, way to go. Oh, melee. Watch the front straight. Go high, go high, go high in the front straight. Go high in the front straight. Chris Fowler, all kinds of flipped over. Now he wants to restart. Out front, David Hoagland. AJ Hoagland into 2, Mike Renninger 3, Taylor Justice 4, Alan Puff 5, Corey Bedwell 6, Chris Fowler 7, and Rod Hoagland 8. We got a hoagie sandwich up front. David Hoagland in 1. Now Mike Renninger taking over that 2 spot. Very close racing here, guys. Your leader, David Hoagland in the 1. That is number 88, Silver and Green. Number 2, Mike Renninger. He's in that. Oh, getting spun out. People start to drop now. 53 laps to go. It is David Hoagland, AJ Hoagland, Mike Renninger, Taylor Justice, Al Puff, Chris Fowler, Corey Bedwell, and Rod Hoagland going to pull it off.
Look how slow that battery is that AJ's got in there. That was mine.
So your leader, Mr. David Hoagland, AJ in the 2, number red, number 21, Mike Renninger 3. Oh no, Taylor gets spun out. Oh no, Renninger gets sideways. That's going to clip Taylor out. Right now with 40 laps to go, it is David Hoagland, AJ Hoagland, Mike Renninger, Chris Fowler, Taylor Justice, and Alan Puff. Watch the infield go high. 38 laps to go. David Hoagland in the 1, AJ Hoagland 2, Mike Renninger 3. Laps to go. David Hoagland, AJ Hoagland, Mike Renninger, Chris Fowler, Taylor Justice, and Alan Puff. Closest battle on the track. Well, not a whole lot of close stuff going on. Everyone's pretty far spread out. David in the 1, AJ 2, Mike Renninger 3. Uh-oh, Renninger gets spun out. That's gonna see if that's gonna let Chris Fowler catch up. And it does, but Mike Renninger still holds his position. So Chris Fowler now on the same lap with him, but still got a 3-second lead over him though. David Hoagland in the 1, AJ 2, Renninger 3, Chris 4, Taylor 5, and Alan 6. 3 laps to go. Looks like David's going to hold on to this one. 2 laps. Final lap coming around. Keep them rolling, keep them rolling. And your winner, David Hoagland. AJ Hoagland finished in second, Mike Renninger third.